Thank you very much. It's always been a pleasure to visit Timor-Leste whenever I get the opportunity. And on this visit, after meeting the foreign minister, we actually reviewed the whole gambit of our relationship, our bilateral relationship with Timor-Leste. There were a few proposals that we discussed. And on behalf of our foreign minister and the deputy prime minister, I invited the foreign minister to visit Pakistan or at his earliest convenience. And I'm hoping that this visit materializes very soon. And everybody in Pakistan is looking forward to the visit of the foreign minister.